Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Ashok Leyland. Our analyst maintains buy on Ashok Leyland with a revised price target of Rs 268 in expectation of sustainable double-digit EBITDA margin and its profit-focused volume growth strategy. The company has announced for a price hike of up to 3% to inflationary pressure effective January 2025, and its bus segment has been witnessing healthy order inflow. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 21 times its FY26 and 19.2 times its FY27 estimates, and EV by EBITDA multiple of 11.6 times its FY26 and 10.3 times its FY27 estimates. Next, we have an update on Saregama India Ltd. Our analyst maintains positive view on Saregama with a price target of Rs 640, as we believe the uptick from the subscription on streaming platforms and increasing share of digital advertising revenue will make it well positioned to achieve strong growth trajectory in the medium to long term. We maintain positive view with unchanged price target of Rs 640. At current market price, the stock trades at 48.4 times its FY25, 38.7 times its FY26, and 31 times its FY27 estimated EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.